Hello all, today in this video I'm going to make a continuation of the previous video only for Python basics. In this work we are going to have some demo video for what is list and some example code for this list. So list is an ordered collections which can store multiple items, and also the order is preserved in the list. So first we are creating a list by using four integers. So we are creating the length of the list. It will be created by using square brackets. While we are now, since it is having four elements, the output will be 4. Then we are accessing the elements by index. In list, the it will be named as 0 1 2 3. So if we are accessing 0 means we will get 1. For example, since we are having 3, if we are giving 3 means we will get the output as 4. So we can just run our code from start. For that I'm just running this. Now if we run means we will get the output as 4. Next we are modifying the list. So for that in the list 1, that is in place of 2 we are going to add 10. So now we are getting the output as 1, 10, 3 and 4. For example, in place of 1, not 1, we can just change it as 2. In that case the 3 will be changed. So now if we run means you will just note the difference. Then we are adding an element at the end. So for that we will use the append command. I think with by using this append command already we have made some demo video in the same YouTube channel. You can just have a look on it. So by using the append command we are just adding. So it will add after 4, and the count will be like 4, since 0 1 2 3 4. So the element will just display and this is the output. So for 5 we can just give it as, for example, 15 means now we will get 1 2 10 4 and 15. So previously while we was running it is 110, no, so only it is coming like that. So now if we run means it will come like 1 2 10 and then 15. So now we are going to remove 3, but here we are not having 3, so we can just give it as 4. So for this is for removing an element. For that you have to use the command remove, and now if you run means the output will be like this. So in this, if you notice, means the fourth number is removed. So this is how we are removing an element from a list. Then slicing a list. Slicing a list in the case means we are just using some sublist. For that here if you notice means here the output 1 and 3 elements we are giving, that is in this case 1 and 10 will be displayed, sorry, 2 and 15 will be displayed. So 1 is to 3. So in that case from 1 to 3. So which is 1 will also just take it up, and we will get 2, and the 15 we will not get. So this is the output for slicing a list. Then we can just check with list comprehension. So by this we can create list and also we can replace loops. For example, for getting a squares, and for example within the number range of 10, so nearly squares till 10 if you need means you have to just give it as within square brackets. So it will just square brackets, you may know in the start itself we just said that we will just describe the list within square bracket. So within square bracket means it will just give it as list. So as we are given the range as 10, the output we will get 0 till 81. But if we just replace here, if you notice means we will get nearly 10 elements. So if you replace this as 15 means we will get nearly 15 squares. So if you notice means we are getting nearly 15 squares. So this is what we are replacing the loops for. For example, by using this comprehension. So this is what we will call list comprehensions. By this we can also display some list of even numbers, odd numbers, etc. For a list of even numbers, we are giving a condition like if we are dividing it by 2, it should be equal to 0. So the range here we have given as 10. So in that case, the number within 10 it will be displayed. So even numbers within 10 will be displayed. I am just changing it as 20. In that case, within 20 it will display. So output it will be till 80. So this is the output for list. So today we have seen about list. In the next video we will just see as tuples, for how we will describe tuples, and the same operations we will just see in tuples. Thank you.